First Kings chapter 18. First Kings chapter 18, we're going to read 41 through to 46. And Elijah said unto Ahab, get thee up, eat and drink. There is a sound of abundance of rain. It's not rained for some years, but Elijah said, and I'm saying to you in the name of Jesus, there is a sound of abundance of rain. In your finances, it will rain. In your family, it will rain. Now you say, nobody in my family has shared a testimony lately. Begin to get set, because in your family, it will rain in the name of Jesus. Verse 42. So Ahab went up to eat and to drink, and Elijah went up to the top of Carmel. Verse 43, and said to his servant, go up now, look toward the sea. And he went up and looked and said, there is nothing. And he said, go again 7 times. Verse 44, and it came to pass at the 7th time that he said, that is his servant, behold, there ariseth a little cloud out of the sea like a man's hand. Now verse 45 and 46 are the points we are looking at. And it came to pass in the meanwhile that the heaven was black with clouds and wind, and there was a great rain. And Ahab rode and went to Jezreel. Come on, say, and there was a great rain. First, it was a small cloud out of the sea like a man's hand. Then it was the blackness of the cloud. And then there was a great rain. Divine interventions go through a process. So watch out for the processes that are happening in your life. Watch out for the changes God is bringing into your life, so that the rain does not stop you. So Ahab began to move. Ahab began to move. In verse 46, we're going to read this together. 1 Kings chapter 18 and in verse 46. 1 to go. And the hand of the Lord was on Elijah, and he gathered up his loins and ran before Ahab to the entrance of Jezreel. So Ahab was going on chariot. I left Elijah there. I left Elijah there. And Elijah does not have a horse. He doesn't have a chariot. How is he going to catch up? Then all of a sudden he began to hear, bah, 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 bah. And he looks out of his chariot. He sees a man on foot. So what's this? I don't know Elijah to be an athlete. And really he wasn't an athlete. It was the hand of the Lord that came on him to do what he was not. I see the hand of the Lord upon you. Bah, bah, bah. Rider, move faster. Elijah must not catch up with us. No, you don't have an option. You don't have an opinion. You don't have any input into the result when you are running against the hand of the Lord. Bah, bah, bah. He caught up. Bah, bah, bah. He outran. I see you taking over. They said they had declared somebody as the first. But in the name of Jesus, as the hand of the Lord comes upon you, you are taking over. You are outrunning them. In the name of Jesus Christ.